Yo, what's up guys, Barber Techno here, and today, first of all, this is channel update. I'm not going to be doing the one video a month anymore, because I just got tons of cases, and I want to do tons more, so I'll just focus that a little bit. So, yeah, I want to do tons of videos a month, maybe even weeks, maybe once every 2 weeks or something. So we have the hammer again. I haven't done a smash test in a very long time. The reason is because my whole garage got reorganized and I couldn't find any hammers. That's the real reason, guys. But I found the hammer that I use for many things. You can see it's pretty gross, but that doesn't matter. You may notice if you go to the zoom camera or close-up camera that this case has, I don't know if you can see that, some scratches, pretty faint ones. But the reason is because I did some drop tests, which I'll show now. And none of them really did anything, so this is, by the way, Incipio case. Alright, here it is on the tabletop here. So, first, zoom out a little. First thing we're going to do is just drop it on here. So we're going to do that in 3, 2, 1. And the first drop, you can see that there's very little damage. We're going to do that one more time. A little higher. One last time. And those two drops created some scratches. Very minor though. If I rub them off here, won't be able to see them. So your phone's gonna be pretty good. Whew. Dust got on my finger there. All right, so now we're gonna do some soft hits. No. Some basic ones, and this, as you can see, it kind of has the feather-like technology too. We're now going to go for a medium hit. It bounces off. Definitely bounces off. So, oh, dropped. Let's see if that did anything. Yeah, nothing I can see really. Let's see if again. That was a pretty full hit. And now we got some dents. Here you can see that it definitely made a little thing, a little mark, as well as this side too. But the real thing that's actually dented here is the hard case part. You can see that looks pretty brutal, which is why I think that if we did this without this, it would have been a lot worse. Probably would have went through. But this definitely absorbed some of the impact. Ooh. Definitely flew real far. So now we got multiple hits. You can clearly see it even went into this part of the phone. You can clearly see that these are pretty bad hits. They might have went through, but they look pretty bad. This is now your case is probably your phone will probably not be able to survive in this because you have tons of hits here that obviously don't result in a straight surface, a flat surface. So your phone is going to be having some issues. This is definitely destructive. I feel like the ice pick is a lot more dangerous than many people think it is. That is really bad. Wow. Yeah, that definitely gonna mess up your phone. See? Pretty destroyed here. Yeah, it's definitely not good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, peace out.